Hi friends, I'm Omkar. Yo yo yo. That day I upload a video. What is there in the box means quiz number 1. And I tell that who can guess what is there in box, he will get prize. The prize and winner is. The prize is 20 rupees paid in cash. And winner is. Tap here get here. And one more thing, PLZ, subscribe the Tap here get here channel. Tap here get here channel is uploading songs. Did you know what is there in the box? A Vivo Tiffin box. Yes, a Vivo Tiffin box. Now I'm unboxing Office Tiffin box in blue color. Someone comment Vivo V5 and Vivo V7. But in box was Tiffin box. And my friend BroTech comment nothing in Tiffin box. So thanks for giving your answer, BroTech. And PLZ subscribe my friend channel BroTech. He upload how to unlock Catmage 9 means full version with serial key. And his video was very helpful to me. And others also. But he got community guideline strike and his video was removed. Thanks BroTech and thanks Suther also. Bye. I take care, help poor and respect people point. And did not forget to subscribe, like, share.